Okay, so welcome back to class. The next video we are about to create now is how to use whiteboards using Canva. A lot of people say, writing tablet, drawing tablet, that is expensive, is this, is that. If you cannot afford a writing tablet or a drawing tablet now, or a writing pad, depending on what you choose to call it, you can make use of Canva whiteboards. Canva whiteboards. You come into Canva. This is my Canva user interface. And what do? You just tap on whiteboard. This is whiteboard. You tap on it. Our whiteboard is loading. Now, with this whiteboard, you can share your screen. So what this means is, if you are going to make use of Canva whiteboards, you have to share your screen with your student using Canva. Don't know if you understand what I'm saying. Depending on the platform you are using, Google, Teams, or Zoom. Zoom has whiteboards. Just that Zoom takes 40 minutes. That's you use only 40 minutes. Then the next time you are going to log in, you have like 15 minutes time to log in again, and it usually takes time. Do you understand? Especially if that class is just an hour class, it takes time to log back in. Now, if you want to make use of whiteboards using Teams or Google Meet, depending on what you are using, what this means is you also have to open Canva by the side on your system. You have to open Canva by the side on your system. When you open your Canva, you go back to your Teams or your Google Meet and share your screen. And the screen you'll be sharing is that of your Canva. The screen you'll be sharing will be what? Will be that of your Canva. Now, this is the first thing. Now, this whiteboard does not have a beginning. It does not have an end. You can minimize it. You can maximize it. I hope you can see what I'm doing. It does not have a beginning. It does not have an end. Now, I want to write. Right? Do I want to use... This is going to be lighter. The mouth of this marker is wide. This is my eraser. Good. So I want to make use of the blue. I can just write mass. This is how it's going to look like. Right? Mass class. If I make use of this red, I'll have something like this. Mass. If I make use of this yellow, I'll have something like this. This is how it works. Now, assuming this is for shapes, this is for sticky notes. Maybe you are teaching something and you want your student to still be seeing that thing by the side. You know, sometimes when you are teaching mathematics, it's not everything that you want to clean because you always want to make reference to it. If you are teaching English, it's not everything you want to clean, especially when it has to do with definitions, parts of speech, and you're asking for examples, right? It's not everything you might want to clean. You might just use sticky notes. This is sticky notes. It has appeared. So what do I want to write here? I want to write trigonometric ratio. Trigonometric ratios. Good. Then this is toi. I can now write SOH equals opposite over hypotenuse, as the case may be, right? Now, let's assume I am done writing this. What do? This is how it appeared. So I want to increase it so that my students can also see it. You can increase it. When you increase it, this is how it will look like. You can increase it again if you want, and just keep it somewhere. It does not interfere with your class. Just keep it somewhere. So that way, as you are teaching and your student is seeing the whiteboard, the student knows that you keep making reference to what is on your sticky notes. You keep making reference to what is on your sticky notes. You keep making reference to what is on your sticky notes. Now, that aside, if you also want to write your paragraph text, you want to type with your keyboard, you don't want to use your hand to write, or maybe you don't even have a pen, right? You don't have what I mean by pen, a writing pen. If you don't have a writing pen, not the big biro you use in your school, there's a pen called writing pen. Now, I can just write this mathematics class. I can type with my keyboard. If I still need something else, probably a table. I'm trying to get my tools for this class. Let me see. Tools. This is a table. This grid icon. And what do? I'm going to increase it. Can you see this? I will increase it. This is a table for this class. I will increase it. Let me increase it. increase it. This is my table for this class. This is how it is. This is how it is. This is my table for this class. The more you zoom it, the more it becomes more feasible. The border, you can do something like this. Border color, change it to black. So this is a table. You can color your table if you so wish. You can color your table to differentiate it from what you have. From the color of the whiteboard, you can color your table. Let's see what we have here. You can color this table. I've colored one section to be brown. You can come here and color this. Let's give this a blue color. You can color here and color this to be red. Just color it to differentiate it from whatever it is you want to do. So this is how to make use of whiteboard using Canva. And the whiteboard on Canva, just like every other app that enables you to use whiteboard, it doesn't have a beginning, it doesn't have an end. So you just write and write and write and write. You can write with a writing pen if you have one. You can type on it. You can make use of sticky notes. Whatever it is you want to do with it, you can make do with it, especially if you do not have a writing tablet. See you in our next video. Bye.